This machine is used to wash the dark color when washing clothes. It will take about 3 minutes to wash it. 3 minutes or 5 minutes can also be used because this is a real flow. Wash for 3 minutes and you can wash for 5 minutes. If it is light-colored, you can wash for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You can wash for 10 minutes. You can wash for 10 minutes. If the clothes are not dirty, you can wash for 10 minutes. Wash for 5 minutes. If it is dirty, light-colored can be washed for 10 minutes. It's okay. After washing, the drying temperature of this machine is about 60 to 65. That's fine, just control it at 60 degrees, the lowest cannot be lower than 60 degrees, the highest must not exceed 65 degrees. This one, a time, and a temperature difference is enough. Is there this one in it? Look at this. Isn't this the drying temperature? 65 degrees, right? Then its night smell can be fixed regardless of the drying time. What do you think about the drying time? Normal thin clothes can be dried in about 50 minutes. 50 minutes will not exceed 50 minutes. If you encounter some thick clothes, thicker ones. Thick clothes can be dried normally. Bake for 60 or 70 minutes. No matter what clothes, under normal circumstances, can dry within 90 minutes. No more than 90 minutes. It will not exceed 90 minutes at most. When you are using it, when you use it, you'll see it. You just have to summarize your experience. Because the clothes in each place are different. If you are in the laundry yard, you are different in clothes. Our clothes are different. There is almost no particularly thick fur here. Almost none. Right? Like leather coats and furs, there are almost no. Because we target different customer groups. Most clothes are. If there are too many clothes, dry them normally. If the regular clothes are thin, they will definitely dry within 50 minutes. If you add thick clothes for 10 minutes, you can also dry them for 60 minutes. There is another one. 90 minutes, and there is another question. The first machine takes a long time to dry clothes. Why? The machine is cold. When the first machine, the machine is cool, so the drying time will be longer. You can set it a little longer. The temperature can be reduced by 10 minutes from the second machine. For example, it took 50 minutes for the first machine to dry clothes, and you could set the second machine to 40 minutes or 45 minutes. It will take 10 minutes to reduce the machine because it is hot. And then there is a different clothing. The oil temperature was very low in the morning. You see, the oil temperature is only 10 degrees. Right? The oil temperature is only octave now. Right now the oil temperature is only octave. The first machine washed dark clothes. Because the higher the oil temperature, the more color the clothes lose, the more color they lose. The higher the oil temperature, the more color the clothes fall. The higher the oil temperature, the higher the cleaning degree. When the oil temperature is low, let's wash lightly, and wash dark clothes without losing color. Clothes do not fade. After washing, the clothes are bright in color. After washing the second machine, when the oil temperature rises to 15 degrees and 20 degrees, wash light-colored clothes. The higher the oil temperature, the cleaner the clothes you wash. Because there are more stains on light-colored clothes, it's better to see, right? Wash dark colors in the first 2 seasons, and then light colors in the second 2 seasons. Washing dark colors in the first 2 seasons can protect the color. Washing light colors afterwards can improve the cleanliness. Is it true? It makes sense. You understand the truth. Once you understand it, you understand it. Then I have some tricks when using it from now on. Dark first then light, right, dark first then light. Deep clothes, just deep first and shallow. Its load capacity is normally loaded to the yellow line. It's just right to wear clothes. The dry cleaning machine is the same as washing clothes. The washing machine can stuff clothes inside. Right? The dry cleaning machine cannot stuff. Yes, it is installed normally in the yellow label because the dry cleaning machine needs to be dried. Once you fill it up, dry it. Once the clothes expand, there will be no space inside. Can't dry it anymore. Because the washing machine does not dry, it can be stuffed in it. The dry cleaning machine is different. The dry cleaning machine needs to be dried. The dry clothes you put a halfway through, and after drying, the machine is already full, right? Vibe